Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how can you download Facebook Messenger. So for downloading it, click on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. And inside it, on the search bar, search here Facebook Messenger. And here you can see Messenger. Now click on it. Now click on Get. And this Facebook Messenger will start downloading in your PC. So here you can see it is getting ready, checking dependencies. So it will take some time to install. Let it be. So here you can see the Facebook Messenger is installed. Now you can open it and you can start messaging your friends